When you faced your first day in the hallowed halls of kindergarten, it was either with extreme bravery or profound sadness. By first grade, you were a pro. By the time you finished elementary school, you entered the awkward zone.
Hey, you're cute.
Then you spend the first couple of years in high school trying to separate yourself from that awkwardness. Now you're coming to the end of high school, and there are days you're brave, and days you're sad, and days when you're pretty sure you're growing up. Your biggest next step is a college education, and if you're pursuing a degree in vocational ministry, then be brave and apply like a pro. Forget awkwardness and navigate to our website. There you can download an application form, request a print form, or file your information electronically. Multiple $500 scholarships will be awarded to high school seniors heading to Christian colleges, courtesy of Great Plains Christian Radio. The next step is yours. Application deadline April 15th. Full details online right now.